This healthy pasta dish works well with summer veggies like zucchini, tomatoes, and fresh herbs, and offers up delicious flavor in about 30 minutes. You can add a protein like grilled chicken, or keep it vegan with cannellini beans. Sliced olives are another great add-in, and I'll show you how to elevate this dish with balsamic vinegar. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add oil, I'm using avocado oil, then saute your zucchini and squash. Meanwhile, you can add about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil to your cooked pasta and toss it along with about a half teaspoon of salt. When your veggies have started to brown, reduce the heat to medium-low, add your garlic, followed by the tomatoes and artichokes. Then add your herbs, and stir in the pasta. Taste and adjust the salt and basil. A drizzle of balsamic vinegar is optional, but it really adds a layer of excellent flavor to this pasta. Sprinkle with Parmesan or dairy-free Parmesan and get ready to enjoy this fast, flavorful meal. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for new recipes each week.